first thing is like the discipline, right? See, the discipline of just the contemplation itself, the attempt, yeah, is inconsistent with, doing what you want, right? See? And it's inconsistent with you attending to survival matters, except for, breathing and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? See? And then, when you could work on contemplating when you're attending to survival matters, but most of the time, and, you can like eating and stuff like that, but most of the time when you attend to your overall survival, you're distracted, yeah? Because that effort is different. So there's that. But like I said, it's not, obviously, if it was the opposite of survival, you'd have to stop surviving. Yeah, see, and it's irrelevant. It's just independent of self-survival. It's not consistent with self-survival. If self-survival creates your experience, your perceptions, your view of reality, and it does, see, it's inconsistent with that. Do you see what I'm saying? Yeah. See, it's like, okay, you want to know what's true, and whatever's true at this point, may not be what you perceive, may not be the way you want it to be, may not be what you think is true. See? What you experience right now as true. You'd have to at least be open to that, right? If you're going for whatever's true. See? And given, you've heard people yammer about enlightenment and shit like that, see, then you have that as that possibility is not normal, right? See, it is not what you experience currently as yourself and your self-experience, see, and your perceptions of reality and what your certain reality is all about and the reality of you, right? See, you're persisting as that. That's what that is. That whole activity is that. It is what I would call survival of life. See? Being alive. And doing the shit. You see what I'm saying? See? And it produces what it produces. It produces the perception you have. It produces the experience you have. It produces the view you have. It produces the certainty you have about reality and the way it is, the way you are. See, that's what it produces. That's what it's for. It's not doing a wrong thing. It's doing its thing, okay? It's doing the thing it's supposed to do, which is to persist as a life, as a being, as a person. But we hold open this possibility that that's not the whole story, that it's too biased. It's too dominated. You see? It's so it is way dominated. See, it's so dominated by that effort, that pursuit, survival, self, that we have to at least be open that what it produces as an experience is not the truth. It's not meant to be the truth. It's meant to be what it is, you surviving and having what you need in order to survive. You don't need to know what's true. Right? You just need to know whether, you shit or get off the pot. You just need to know that, okay, there's a door, go through it. You just need to know, that's an apple, I eat it. Right? So you just need to know, hey, that offended me, I'm going to react. Whatever. Those are the things you need to know. See? What's actually true about your true nature, which we've created now a possibility. Interesting. We have to be open that everything you experience possibly is not true, or it's not the truth as relating to your true nature. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's relatively true or not, it's like not your true nature. I'm trying to think. Did it hurt? No, actually it didn't. Okay, anyway, I'm saying, it's like, I know, I had the exposure to that Zen, the little book, right? And, enlightenment sounded like a really fucking good idea, a neat idea, but I had no fucking idea. See, but when I was contemplating, I didn't think about not in my experience, in my experience, being, and didn't think about those things. I just, me, what is it? See? What is this? 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 And so that's what I recommend. Okay? What is this? See, but there's nothing about survival that demands that you question what it is. It demands that you do it, but it doesn't demand that you question what it is. Or to even know what you're doing. You might be interested in such things, but it doesn't demand that. I'm just saying, it has to be independent, like we'll say in the EMB. Early on, you have to get past use and value. Because if you're stuck in use and value, you cannot be pursuing the truth. Can you get that? See, one thing might be useful, right? If you want to grasp what you are, you could consider, grasping what you are to the degree that you know what death is and isn't. And you're okay with it. See? And nobody's okay with death. People say they're okay with death, but they don't know what they're talking about. See? They're talking about an idea of death. You see? But yourself cannot be okay with death. You understand why? It's the antithesis of ourself. You don't get to be when you die. That's called death, okay? That's why we call it death, because you die, okay? Anyway, I'm just saying, I said, if you need something to help motivate you. I really don't mind dying. I don't mind being dead or becoming dead. I don't mind that. I know what I am. I know what that is all about. See? That doesn't bother me. The degrading and dying part I could do without. Okay? It's like, well, I can't see, Oh, no. That part I could do without. But, what the hell?
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.